Welcome back to Daytime Live, and we are always happy to have Kelissa on the show. And guess what? She brought with her Khacia Payne, Molly. Khacia, you see, I got it. Welcome, ladies.
Listen, she was, people, she's been struggling with
I was like,
she's like, please. All right, ladies, you guys have a new project coming out.
Yeah, it came out. Yeah.
It's out already.
Sorry, yeah.
So it's already been out.
Yeah,
It's out. We have an event coming up that we're going to be performing the project live.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so tell us about the project.
So the project now is called Ambessa World. It's a collaboration project. Khacia is a DJ. I'm an artist musician. So we collaborated on a project. Just a vibes project, dancehall,
Nice.
hip hop.
Yeah.
Yes.
A mixtape.
All right, and
mixtape.
Khacia, you are a DJ, like you just mentioned,
Yeah.
and you are a
Alright.
second generation Mali.
Yeah.
It's second
Right?
or third?
Third generation.
Yes.
Third generation Mali.
Third.
Tell us,
Third.
break that down for us.
I mean, what you want to know?
No, do you feel the pressure?
Yeah.
Is there pressure?
Because sometimes you don't use the name Mali, you just go by, Khacia.
Yeah, SP,
so
yeah.
Right.
I don't feel any pressure.
Yeah.
I'm in my own lane. Everyone else is singers.
Yeah.
I'm just a DJ, the only DJ.
You have a new track then, you have your own track.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
No,
singer.
like DJ, as in like mix disc jockey.
Oh,
not,
disc jockey.
not
Selector,
yeah,
she's
not
a selector.
selector.
yeah.
See, she have her own stadium then.
That's amazing.
Own vibe,
Because
own vibe.
we
Different name.
spoke to Skip on Friday,
Word up.
and he was like, I don't really feel any pressure either. So
feel
obviously
pressure.
everything is going really well.
Yeah,
and
it's smooth.
Everybody, the elders are treating y'all well. That's really good.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit more about the event that's happening on Friday at Skyline.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Every information is wrong. It's
Saturday, December 7th. Ambessa World Sound System session. We have King Jam is performing, Word Sound Power. So it's really a sound system session. Normally is a live band setting, but through is a mixtape that we're kind of celebrating and venerating.
Right.
We kind of paying tribute to the sound system culture. So we also have Hemper Sativa, Kabaka Pyramid performing,
Wow.
Roots percussionist, a poet called Mika Nyota, and special guests.
Yeah.
What time does it start?
It starts at 9 o'clock until 2 promptly, so you have to make sure you're
Promptly,
forward.
we're not playing.
Oh,
And how much is
So
it?
it's not.
Come again?
How much?
It is 2,000 pre-sold
Right.
for the Rockers ticket if you want us come and rock and vibe with me.
Right.
There's a 5,000 pre-sold ticket, and that includes a meal. So the event is a celebration of the connection between Ethiopia and Jamaica. So we'll be having Ethiopian food, as well as some Jamaican cuisine, desserts, and that's all a part of the $5,000 package. Pre-sold outlets. KelissaMusic.com.
Reeling. All right.
Like you split it out. that's it.
Chef in Don and our next place named Manor Collection in Manor Park.
Yeah.
And you can also
That's
get it on
really
my
good.
website.
That's really good.
You can get it at the gate too.
As a woman, looking at you two beautiful women supporting each other, working together,
Yeah,
I'm
it's
loving. I'm here for the energy. I'm here for it.
You should come to the show.
I'm coming.
It's all about celebrating.
It's on my birthday on Saturday. So I'm here.
She's already dressed for the show.
You guys are going to perform for us. Take it away and we'll talk after.
Well, she doesn't pretend that she DJing.
Just pretend you. Yeah, all right. Let's let you guys get on. And we'll be over here.
Yeah. Big up the One Blood family in the place. East. Kelissa alongside Khacia Payne, y'all. Don't be fooled by no pretty face. When I grab microphone, I'ma mash up place. Yes, I trouble. Cage up the country cause the chalice not for bubble. La la la, all them are going like them narrator man. So we have to show them, make them understand we are the toughest of the toughest. I'd make them know that we are the roughest of the roughest. Bam, baby, bang, hear me now. Oh, I must have thrown my brown, them things to me soft. See me and think you know me, you don't know they are. As I rest my born and grow, you know see how me not at all. If you took the time to know, you see I'm not so bad at all. Eh, I think it's time to set the record straight. Khacia Payne run the rhythm, make me done the place. I say I think it's time for the world to know. Kelissa run the show, Kelissa run. Eh, cha. Don't be fooled by no pretty face. When I grab microphone and I mash up place. Yes, I trouble. Cage up the country cause the challenge up for bubble. La la la, all them are going like them narrator man. Khacia Payne, I show them, make them overstand. We are the toughest of the toughest. I make them know that we are the roughest. Hey, run the the rhythm. I true me your empress, make them take with a hit. In a my skirt and my dress, I put up a fight. If a boy say you want test me done him tonight, come me a real lioness, I feel defend the pride. Said it's about the time to set the record straight. Selector, give them the rhythm and mash up the place. I think it's time for the world to know. Kelissa run the show, hey. Soon as me step up in the place, Kelissa lift up the vibes. The people them must say me make them feel so nice. Not true, she have pretty face. Mean you fit take a line. Not true, with voice high pitch. If you apologize and show respect where respect is due. I'm not normal, that mean I'm not the same as you. Me not deal with formal. Kelissa breaking all the rules. And me I start from, now you just ask the teacher at school. I think it's time to set the record straight. Jamaica tell the world, say yeah, Kelissa, you wait. I think it's time for the world to know. Kelissa run the show and Shasta, hey. Oh, can't tell them word then. Then for no. Shasta Payne, she tell them. We no beg no friend. From you a bandwagonist. Hey, at this your train, I go miss your shoe. Can't say we never won you. East out. All right.
Excellent. Hey, listen, you know what I was impressed with? Now, Kelissa, you're the boss. But the
Vocals is on point, by the way.
But Shasia.
Yeah. Shasta.
Shasta?
King Shasta.
I was worried.
Shasta.
Listen, man, Chuck.
Yeah, all right, go on.
I was worried that maybe she needed a flag or something.
Something for wave.
She will have vibes by herself.
By yourself, my girl.
She never need no. One time when she stay so I must have do what?
Lean back, lean. I love it.
Yeah.
So,
is this song available? Like
The whole thing available, babe.
The whole thing.
The whole
Where?
mixtape.
Well, as of now,
the mixtape. I know we don't have long, but the mixtape.
the mixtape is
Right.
on YouTube and SoundCloud. Kahiro now. The mixtape is kind of a mashup of a lot of the Jamaican culture, right? And that's the beauty of this project. We couldn't officially sample everything because we don't really have the budget like that.
All right.
It's a beautiful thing to be able to, you know, take the culture that we grew up on,
Yeah.
Right.
you know, and kind of recreate it and modernize it a little bit.
Beautiful.
So it's available on YouTube and SoundCloud. We have some CD if you roll up outside at TVJ.
TVJ data. Outside. You see, audience.
You can see it live.
So where can we find you on social media? Because I know there's a lot more information to give out. How
Yeah,
can we
you
find
don't
you
know.
on social media?
Kelissa Music, Kelissa Music,
And
on all platforms.
Shasta Payne,
Shasta Payne.
SHACIAPAYNE.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And the girls' power thing on Friday.
Saturday.
Saturday. On my birthday. On Saturday. My birthday, Saturday. Big up yourself. That's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Skyline Lights on levels on Saturday. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back on Friday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, mix, everything. Friday. My birthday, Saturday, Friday.